Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a delicious looking laddu, a popular sweet. Let's get started. First we will begin by drawing a large neat circle for the base of the laddu. Try it, make it slightly uneven to give it a more natural handmade look. You can use light sketchy stroke at first, and once you are happy with the shape, darken the outlines. Now next let's add some texture. Laddus often have a bumpy surface because of the ingredients. To this, draw small irregular circles and dots all around the laddu to give it that grainy sweet texture. Now we are going to add a plate underneath the laddu. Draw an oval shape slightly flattened at the bottom, making sure the laddu sits right on top of it. To finish off, you can add some shading and highlights. Shade the bottom part of the laddu slightly darker to give it depth, and leave a small highlights on the top to make it more shiny, just like a real laddu. And there you have it, a simple and fun laddu drawing, perfect for everyone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icons, and also subscribe for more festive drawing videos. Thanks for watching.